Okay, we're going to do a quick video of the master bathroom. So the water does go down the drain and is fine. So if I have this on, the overflow drain is overflowing. You can actually hear it. So if that gets covered over, perhaps it's not working, but that one's working. This one has the same thing. If I fill this up, it will go down there. So this one actually had the same thing. The water level did go down, so this is not holding as much water as it possibly could. I think that, I'm not really sure what kind of adjustment is being hoped for on that, but it should be okay. We also have, this has just been reattached with new tape. The silicone tape takes care of that problem, so we're gonna be okay there. All right, we are in the hall bath, and as you can see, there's the overflow drain here, which is draining away the water. So these are integrated. This sink and the sink that is in the master, the two sinks in the master, they're integrated sinks. So that is just the function of the sink, and you can hear it draining as we speak. So those all seem to be working just fine. I was just looking back at the inspection picture, and I think I should probably describe how this works. So in the inspection, the water level is up above this. If the water level is above this, then it is not going to drain, or at least it's not going to drain quickly. The objective of this overflow drain is to drain things off, but it creates an air draw so that this drain works correctly. If both of these are covered, you're going to get a position where there's no transfer of water. The water is just going to stay in there. So the picture that was provided does show that this was covered. And if that's covered, which means the water coming from here is going out faster than the water going from here, once it covers this, it's actually just physics. The air does not go through and down to chase the water, and you end up with a problem where it's going to stay stuck in here. So these are actually working correctly, just so that we all understand. All right, I am here in the hall bath, and this has been adjusted so that it comes up further. We did test this one. This was not on that sink list of stoppers that were making it so this didn't work, but this is working just fine and has been adjusted. This is the screen. The screen's actually already been repaired. What had happened is the screens have a small piece of piping in them that keep the screen tight. Just restretched it and put it back in. So the screen is now corrected. Okay, I also had my handyman come in, and he has corrected the problem with all of the caulking in the kitchen. So that is now resolved as well. Okay, we're in the hall bath, the corner where there was that one area that needed some caulk, as well as here, sanded grout. Both of those are taken care of. And just as this one had been done, this one is now done the same way. So the escutcheon is attached.